What is up? It is Sunday. I have not recorded all weekend. My bad. Honestly, I haven't jumped rope since Thursday. So I didn't jump rope Friday because I had work. And I didn't jump rope Saturday because I had work. I could have, in reality, I could have got it done. Probably both days. But, you know, shit happens. But we're still gonna get back into it today. That's the one thing, like, even if you miss a couple of days, that doesn't mean you can't keep going. Like, yeah, it's gonna take me a little bit longer than 30 days because I've missed, 4 days now? I missed last Friday and last Saturday, and then I missed this Friday and this Saturday, but I work out every other day of the week, so I don't know. That's just me, but I'm not being too strict about the challenge rules or whatever, like 30 days straight, because there's no reason to be. That's when you get burnt out. For me, at least. Like, I don't need to be that strict, but yeah. We're gonna get back into it today, and content coming on the regular. Peace out. This is good. All right, I don't want to do this, but we're just gonna knock it out. It's hard to record here. Let's try that. The last walkway. Back. 30. So that's 10 and that's 20. We're doing like the latter one a little bit, but I'm keeping track of my head, so I've done 30 so far. 30 more, that's 60. I'm gonna go do 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and probably 100, and I'll come back after that. All right, we at 550. I had to tuck my shirt in because it kept coming up. I got 450 left. Count. That's close to 100. Let's just say we got 300 more. Probably a little bit extra. More. I was getting a call. All right, we back in business. We got 200 left. Let's see if we can do these 200 straight. 1,000. We done. All right, y'all. I decided to jump a few more hundred. The other one was too easy. Ah, shit. $400. we would try it. It hurt. 146. 200. Shit. 200. AKA 2,000 for the day. That's gonna be it for this weekend vlog. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're gonna get to 3,000 jump rope soon. Follow along.